These days, you can see many headlines on the internet claiming that there is $10 quadrillion worth of metal on the Psyche asteroid. There are reports of mountains of gold in its depths. If you plan to dig and grab a piece of this immensely wealthy asteroid, think again. That asteroid is not worth that much. But why is NASA sending a probe to Psyche after a journey that will take years? Because science. Welcome to the spaceship Earth. In this video, we will talk about the Psyche asteroid and the mission initiated by NASA to study this celestial body. As humans, driven by our curiosity to understand the world we live in, we've explored every corner of our planet, from the highest mountains to the deepest trenches. However, there's one place we still can't explore: the Earth's core. With our current technology, it's impossible to reach the Earth's core, which is approximately 5,100 kilometers or 3,100 miles below the surface. Even if we could get there, the extreme heat and pressure at the core would render scientific instruments useless. So, how can we learn about the Earth's core? The answer lies in studying an asteroid named Psyche, which floats freely in space and is believed to be a dead protoplanet's core. Psyche is an asteroid in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, and it has an unusual shape resembling a potato. Discovered in 1852, it's about 280 kilometers or 170 miles wide, and 232 kilometers or 144 miles long. It's believed to be the exposed core of a protoplanet that lost its rocky outer layer in a colossal collision during the early stages of our solar system. Contrary to the headlines claiming Psyche is worth trillions of dollars, it's not entirely composed of metal. Observations made using optical telescopes and radar suggest that it's roughly 30% to 60% metal, with the remaining portion being primarily composed of silicates, the main building blocks of glass and sand. Based on these observations and data, like the effects on the orbits of other nearby asteroids, its density is calculated to be around 4 to 5 metric tons per cubic meter. To put this into perspective, a cubic meter of water weighs 1 ton, and the density of the Earth's surface is approximately 2.8 tons per cubic meter. Due to its metal-heavy composition, there have been persistent claims in the news that it is worth $10 quadrillion. So, what's the reason for this? During the early stages of the formation of planets, heavy metals like nickel, iron, or uranium sink towards the planet's core, while the lighter metals like aluminum are closer to the surface. This is why materials like gold or platinum have become precious metals, because they are found in very small quantities in regions closer to the surface. Psyche is believed to be the core of a protoplanet. Therefore, it is thought that the majority of it consists of heavy metals that descended towards the center during the formation of the protoplanet. It is calculated that if these metals were collected, they could be worth trillions of dollars. Setting aside the challenges of mining from an asteroid in space, the minerals collected from there would significantly decrease global metal prices. Throughout human history, approximately 200,000 tons of gold have been extracted. If a few million tons of gold were to be found and brought back from Psyche, it would only further depress the current market values. Therefore, the idea of the asteroid being worth quadrillions is not realistic. Now, let's get back to the main topic: astronomy and science. NASA has been working on a scientific mission to study Psyche, an asteroid with many intriguing characteristics. The spacecraft for this mission was initially scheduled to be launched in September 2022, but due to delays in the navigation software tests, the launch was postponed to October 12, 2023. Barring any issues with weather, the spacecraft, or the satellite, Psyche will be launched on October 12, 2023, from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida using a Falcon Heavy rocket. Once launched, the spacecraft will gradually accelerate with the help of its electric propulsion systems. After a journey lasting 5 years and 10 months, it will enter Psyche's orbit in August 2029. The spacecraft will then spend 21 months mapping the asteroid and collecting information about its composition and internal structure, using scientific instruments like multispectral imagers, gamma and neutron spectrometers, and magnetometers. There's also a laser altimeter on board to assist in maintaining the spacecraft's altitude while in orbit, and to create a detailed topographic map of Psyche. The data gathered during these observations will be shared among participating universities, and will contribute to research on the characteristics of planetary cores and M-class asteroids. Psyche, which is the largest metallic asteroid discovered in our solar system to date. It represents one of the most ambitious asteroid missions to date, and it's expected to provide a wealth of information about the formation of our solar system and the characteristics of planetary cores. We wish the Psyche probe a successful journey on its long voyage. Thank you for watching Spaceship Earth. If you like our video, please give a thumb up and share. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on our space and space technology videos.